Hello everyone, welcome to It's Tomorrow News. I am Hena Talati. Death toll rises after blizzard of the century blankets United States. The death toll from a devastating winter blizzard that left much of the United States in a deep freeze has risen to at least 34 in a hard-hit region of the western New York State, authorities said, as tens of the thousands remain without power. During the news conference on Monday, Erie County executives said at least 34 people had died as a result of the storm, which pummeled the area during the Christmas holiday weekend. The entire country, which includes the city of Buffalo and is home to approximately 950,000 people, remained under the state of emergency, officials said. He added that the driving ban also is still in place for the Buffalo because the city is impassable in most areas. This is a horrible situation, explaining that the storm-related deaths increased by 12 overnight, including cases of the people who were found in the snowbanks or in their cars, or who died from the cardiac events while plowing or blowing snow. The ferocity of the storm was worse than the blizzard of 1977, referring to a 3-day storm that killed nearly 30 people decades ago. The blizzard stranded motorists, knocked electricity out for thousands of the people and made it difficult for the emergency crews to reach residents trapped in their cars and homes. Tens of the thousands of the homes and businesses remained without power on Monday as rescue and recovery efforts continued. According to the poweroutage.us, fewer than 100,000 customers were without power on Monday at 7 a.m. Eastern Time, down from the peak of 1.7 million. The storm capped an Arctic freeze and winter storm front that had extended over the most of the United States for days, stretching as far south as Mexican border. United States President had warned Americans late last week to heed local warnings and take the storm, which he described as a dangerous and threatening, seriously. Some 1,707 domestic and international flights were cancelled on Sunday. Freezing conditions and day-old power outages had people scrambling to get to anywhere that had hit amid what is claimed to be the longest sustained blizzard conditions ever. Streets have been covered with the thick blankets of the snow as high as SUVs, and there isn't any opinions to move or travel out of the house. That's all for now. For more news updates, stay tuned with us. It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.